Today we're gonna do an unboxing video of my Mavic Air by DJI. I've also bought some accessories that I think are necessary. So we've got the car charger, and also over here we have ND polarized filters by Polar Pro. So let's get to it. The drone Mavic Air, I think you see it pretty good out of the box. So it comes in three colors: Arctic White, Flame Red and Onyx Black. I've bought the Arctic White, and when you go to the store you're gonna know what color you're buying by seeing the little circle over here underneath the color you choose. Plus it's written over here. So, Mavic Air, let's start off. Right out of the box we see the drone with its case. It has a very nice hard case. Feels very premium. Also some labels, a pocket to the case where I guess you can keep your extra propellers, an SD card. Even probably the remote will fit because it's stretching quite a lot. Next in the box we got a smaller box. Okay, this should have all of the cables. So we have over here a USB cable. It's USB-A to USB-C. We have the charging station. It has USB ports, so I assume you would plug this to here and charge the remote with it. This is the charging for the drone battery. I think this will fit only the Mavic Air battery. And you have the power cord for the charger, which goes right here. Okay, that's it for this box. Next inside the box we have the Mavic Air remote control. No display like the Mavic Pro. It's pretty straightforward. What's missing over here from the start is the little joysticks. And those are hidden very low over here. You got two joysticks which are detachable, and you can screw them in. Very nice and easy. I think you could drive them also without the joysticks, but I wouldn't recommend that. There you go. Over here you have the cable to connect, to make a hard connection directly with your phone. Right now I have a USB type B cable inside. It has 4 buttons, one for camera shooting, power button, home button, sports mode, and the antennas are very nice and solid. So about the antennas, it's very important that if you're flying the drone straight forward and up or backwards and up, best to keep them in this direction, not crossed. Definitely don't keep the antennas like this. If you're gonna shoot the drone straight up above you, switch the antennas to be like this, because the antennas are sending signal in this direction and towards up and down. And if it's like this, it goes again up and down, forward and backwards. You have over here a very nice scroll button. With this scroll you're moving the with this scroll button you're moving the gimbal of the drone up and down. On the sticks this left side is responsible for up and down direction, also to spin it in one place. And with this right side you move as straight, back, left and right. Okay, a big box here. Here should be the propellers. And in this box you have extra USB cables that will connect, so you can connect them no matter what phones you use. You have for iPhone, you have for with USB Type-C. So if you're with a phone that's pretty much 2017, 2018, that's your cable. Yep, you have the propellers here, propeller guards. Over pieces. You have extra propellers, extra joysticks for when you lose them, and some documentation. You got about the drone, about the propellers, how to put them on. It's very simple, and about the battery. And you have a reminder about the DJI Care Refresh. It's an extra insurance you can purchase for your drone, and it's gonna cover up to 2 replacements for a lower cost. I think the first replacement is about 79 euros. The second one was 120 euros. That's it with the box, nothing else there. So let's check out the drone. Okay, it's very small. Let's compare it. I'm over here with Galaxy Note 4. Let's compare it. Size, almost the same. So you have also here instructions which wing should be opened first. So you start off with the sliding ones that push downwards and open, and then you have the ones that just pop out, and you have little sticks over here to levitate the drone higher, to not hit the gimbal on the ground. And also I heard that these are extra antennas for better reception and signal. Okay, very important thing, when you put the drone back, it's very important to flap the wings the opposite way of opening. So you first put the front ones in, and then you push the back ones like this. Very easy. We got a very nice cover for the gimbal, easy to remove with a clip on it. Here is it, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, so it's gonna have very nice smooth footage when you record, very beautiful pictures also. This is the battery. That's how big is it. You can expect around 15 minutes of flight time. I don't know how you can get 21 like they advertise on the website. It's probably just hover in one room without any wind. And unlike the Spark, this battery does not come out. It's very easy for you to know when it's placed correctly, because you hear this clipping sound. Very nice. To know if the battery is charged, you just press the button once and you see the LED indications. Over here right now we got only one glowing, so it definitely needs to be charged. What else about the drone? Over here on the back We have a USB port C, a micro SD card slot. Now, what's the best memory card you can put for this drone? I think definitely SanDisk Extreme or Extreme Pro, class 10 of course, U version 3 I think, or U3, and that's what you need. I'll put a picture on it over here so you guys will know. Also, there's a button on the back. This thing over here, it's a button actually, so when you press it 2 times, it's connecting you to the joystick for the first time. When you press it 3 times, you can connect it to your phone. You have the DJI logo over here, very nice, beautiful design, and some stickers, I don't know what for. Why would you need sticker over there? On this end you have your Wi-Fi password. You're gonna need this to connect to the phone through the DJI application. That's pretty much it with the unboxing of the drone. From technical perspective, the drone has 12 megapixels. If you don't know already that, if you didn't buy it by now, it's a great drone. That was it with my unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you liked it.